The machine must be turned on. Open the front cover. Remove the toner cartridge and drum unit assembly. The brother machine has separate consumables, toner cartridge and drum unit. You have to replace only the drum unit, not the toner cartridge. Push down the green lock lever and take the toner cartridge out of the old drum unit. Take the new drum unit and insert the old cartridge into the new drum unit. Insert the toner cartridge into place until you hear a click. Install the toner cartridge and drum unit assembly back into the printer. Close the cover of the machine. Once finished, you need to reset the drum counter. The reset procedures vary from machine to machine. You'll find the instruction in this channel.